Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Ethereum or ETH wallet address on PayPal. So let's get started. Now for step number one is you just have to log in, and then once you're logged into PayPal, just click on the Finances tab in the top blue menu bar. So from here, you can find the Finances right here, right beside the home. So you just have to click on this one. And once you click on finances, you should see your Bitcoin or other crypto balance. So click on Bitcoin if you want to receive a coin other than Bitcoin. So click on that coin. So from here, you have this or here. And then look towards the button for the two arrows facing opposite directions and click that. So click on this one and you will see it in here. So you will now get a screen with three options, which is the send BTC, receive BTC, and convert BTC. So select the receive BTC since we want to send to another address. So if you're receiving another crypto wallet, crypto, it will say receive ETH or receive LTC, for example. So here are the options. So you just have to choose one. So click on this receive BTC. And then PayPal will then give you a quick warning on how to use your address properly. So you just have to read this to get the warning, and that's it. PayPal will now show your address along with a QR code of the address. So from here, you can then copy this one or you can scan the QR code. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!